What do you think? Do you like this?
I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna have fun, clap my hands, turn around now and dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap, turn around, dance, dance. I just wanna clap, clap.
We are now installing the FDF fab heel plates for the E36 convertible. The E36 convertible requires some cutting, not to mention we have a roll cage. So Nate here has fabbed up this pizza box.
I just wanna have fun, turn around. I just wanna now and turn around now. I just wanna dance.
I'm gonna draw the Sharpie mark. This is really intimate. That crease.
Get all up in here.
Yeah, I can't see with your hand there.
Two dudes hanging out.
Just two dudes sitting in a hot tub 6 feet apart because they're not gay.
Yep.
All right. What else do we need to mark?
That's literally
You
it.
just wanted me to get close to you again, or what? Freaking Pizza Hut knew. Pizza Hut knew that we were building this. Pizza Hut knew better than we did where we were supposed to make our
Tech tip, installing FDF
tech plates. Pizza Hut box.
Use a Pizza Hut box.
That's a good tech tip. How to install FDF heel plates. Step 1, use Pizza Hut box.
We're gonna test this again. So
What do you mean we're gonna test it again?
I wanna lay it flat in there.
Gosh, you're such a perfectionist. You want to make sure that it looks good and stuff? I'll be back. Alright. Hurry up, Nate.
Bend this.
Yeah.
This edge.
It's so close to the bend spot.
Cut this, and then take this.
This we're getting rid of.
This mounting
Right?
point, yes.
And then we'll
right
cut to here.
Yep. Loud noises.
Loud noises! Incoming. Always use PPE. Beautiful. Now to bend this, kind of want to just make a relief cut. Just add some cardboard. I think that's pretty warm. Look at that. What do you think? Do you like this? Oh, guess what else needs to be bent up? There's just hot. Oh yeah, this looks
There
good,
you go.
yeah. Oh, thanks, Nate. Here's our now cut and bent up FDF heel plate. Will it fit? Indeed, it does need to be cut. Oh, that's all that needs to be cut is the last tab.
Yep.
Literally. Wow. That's cool.
Pizza Hut.
Pizza Hut, man, that's the answer. Pizza Hut. Listen, for any of you Domino's enthusiasts, there's no cheesy stuffed crust of Domino's. Yeah, so you can woo-woo, whatever, but you're still not having no cheesy stuffed crust. Here, let me actually test out putting the clutch in and everything. It's not gonna really. Oh, look, it gives that the bottom foot like travel. Whoa, why is my? Uh-oh. Are we losing fluid on the ground?
Yes, sir.
All right, you can stop recording.
BMW problems.
Hey, you know what they say? It's always fun and games
Until you start losing clutch pressure.
until you start losing fluid.
Yeah. Well, that's good to
Yeah.
hear.
There's nothing anymore.
It's not brakes. It's definitely clutch.
Yeah, no.
Look, check the clutch. Check the.
Dude, it's this.
It's the
your
clutch
block.
delay valve. Is it that box?
Yeah, it's that. It's your block here.
Yep.
Yep. Yeah. I'll do that. Sure, no problem.
Boss.
That's right. Slave. Boss. Just kidding. Reese Witherspoon.
Talk to me nice, you don't talk to me at all.
That's what I'm doing here for this time. I just like filming out of focus.
Yeah, I know.
The way the bird called you in and kicked you out.
Cut out the box. Bent the tabs.
So this should, in theory, can we get some light in here? And that's gonna be where the right foot weight will rest on, is this nice, thick 2-inch square steel. And the aluminum is just gonna rest right on top of it, and all the weight is just gonna be taken care of. And then on the left side, that's gonna be a little bit more of a challenge as the surface is very uneven. It looks like it's due to be hammered in a little bit. Pretty mangled under there, probably from being too low, bro. Anyway, get to some welding. Not too shabby. And to be honest, I really don't need to do any more welding than that. I mean, this is fine. You could always do this if you need to. Works. It's hot. It's hot. I'm gonna put some spray paint now so it doesn't get rusty. Okay, so now we are spray painting. Damn it. I'm glad that's funny to you because it is sure it's not funny to me. Looks good to me. Oh! Look at that, we got a self-tapper in the hole. And look at this, time to peel this off. Oh, that's satisfying. Oh, that's really nice. Oh, yeah. I've been wanting to do this. You have no idea how long I've been wanting to do this. Pretty much for a really long time. Yeah, this is good stuff, yeah. This is what dreams are made of. Oh my goodness, why does this side look so spicy? Oh yeah, that looks pretty good. Oh, what do you think? Wow, that's really nice. Oh yeah, Oh my gosh. Oh, do you want to peel some?
I can't even hold the camera.
Hey Reese, do you want to peel some? Because I sure do want to do the rest if you're not going to do it.
Oh, you.
You don't want to feel any? Okay, I just want to be polite. Well, come on. Oh my goodness, that's so nice. Oh, everybody's attracted to me so jealous. They're gonna look inside the car and be like, oh my gosh, I want his car. Oh,
Oh, if I was somebody at the track looking at this car, I would want it. Oh my goodness, that's so nice. Oh, just wait till the boys at the track see this. They're gonna be so jealous. Oh, let me get the rest of those self-tappers in. So what my dad used to always say, when in doubt, self-tapper it out. Yeah. Oh, that's a good feeling. Oh, gosh.
Oh yeah.
And we lost the screw.
It's a good clutch though.
Don't. So we've already put some spacers on the front for where the majority of the weight is going to be for the most part when people are in the car. However, you know, people don't give a shit when you tell them, hey, I've got this carbon fiber dash. When you come in and out, make sure you're careful with your shoes. They don't fucking pay attention. They just go in and out and they fucking scrape their shoes past it or whatever else. Same thing with this floor plate. People are just gonna put their foot anywhere on here, and so we need to support the weight in places we're not expecting, especially right here in the center between the logo and the dimple die gussets. So we've taken actually a piece of unibody that I've held on to right here, and we're just gonna weld that right there into place, and that's gonna take up a lot of people's weight when they step right there on the plate. No.
That was in there.